If you're concerned that your baby cannot roll over when they're lying on their back and your baby is physically unable to roll over onto his tummy, and you're concerned about this and you're looking for some techniques and tips and tricks that you can use at home to help your baby start rolling, then you're in the right place and you're watching the right video. My name is Cherrick Gordon and I've been a pediatric physical therapist for over 25 years. My specialty is early intervention. I work with babies between the ages of 0 to 3 years of age. During this time, they're supposed to accomplish a lot of gross motor milestones, rolling of which is one of them. So let's get right into it today and talk about 5 different activities that you can do with your baby to help your baby to be able to roll from lying on their back to their tummy independently and help them to be able to do this faster. The first activity is tracking, side to side tracking. So if you have your baby laying on the ground or on the sofa or wherever you have your baby, and you use a toy, use something small, brightly colored like this, hold it up so that baby can focus on it and then move it from side to side once baby is locked on and baby starts to track the toy. Once baby is tracking the toy, then that's the first step that baby is engaged and baby has good head control, good neck strength, and so now baby is ready to start trying to initiate that movement. So that's the first position you want to put your baby in and look to see, does your baby have that capability of moving that head side to side? At this point, baby should be able to get their head all the way to where he turns his cheek all the way to each side. Now, once baby is able to do that, then you can put baby in the next position, which would be to just start rolling, helping baby to roll. The way you do that, let's say we want our baby to roll over towards the right side, right? Leading with his right hand, rolling over the left shoulder in this manner. What I would do is start the baby tracking the toy, move the toy, put the toy on the ground above baby's head. If you notice where the toy is actually above baby's head right here and off to one side. And the reason for that is that baby is going to turn his head looking at the toy and continue looking at the toy and start reaching for the toy. If you can have baby start reaching, grasping, touching, playing with the toy and reaching for the toy, what you can do is straighten baby's left leg, right? Bend the right leg and bring the right leg over the left one. So you see I'm giving baby a lot of support at the hips and kind of cueing baby to engage his core as he's reaching for the toy, reaching over, and to start flipping himself completely over. Wherever baby at this age, baby is about 4 to 6 months old, which is where you would expect rolling to begin to happen independently, and baby will start reaching wherever the head goes, the rest of the body will follow. So if baby's looking at the toy, reaching for the toy, and I give baby a little bit of assist by bringing this right leg, I can bend that hip to about a 90-degree angle, bend the knee, and help baby, give baby some support like this. Baby can complete the roll on his own, boot and roll over. So that's the second position. If baby is unable to accomplish the roll, no matter how much assistance you give him coming from his back to complete that roll, you can actually position baby on their side and start the roll there. So what I like to do is, again, cue baby to reach for the toy, play with it, and touch it, make sure baby is engaged with it, and put baby on baby's side, on the left side. We're trying to roll leading with the right hand, straighten out the left leg, bend the right leg over, and cue baby to keep on reaching in this position until baby completes the roll and rolls over onto his tummy. Now, immediately when baby rolls over onto his tummy, you want to position the arms. I'm going to turn him this way so that you can see where you want to position baby's arms so that his arms are under his body, and it's kind of propped up like this with his forearms on the ground, almost doing like a little baby plank. That's a good way to have him to be able to make sure his arms are not trapped under his body. The final position is this position. Here we go again, talking about tummy time. Put your baby on their tummy, face to face with baby. Use your hands to prop baby's elbows under their shoulders and lift baby's head up so that you can make eye contact with baby and let him know that tummy time is okay, and help him to stay in this position for as long as he can. This position helps to strengthen baby's neck muscles as he lifts his head up to make eye contact with me. It helps to strengthen baby's back muscles. It also helps baby to start bringing those knees under his hips, which is going to be important for creeping and crawling. And all of these positions are facilitated when baby is on their tummy, spending some time in tummy time. So those are the 4 positions, the 5 positions that can help you get your baby to start rolling. What you want to do is pay attention and make sure that you are actually rolling your baby to both sides. At this point in baby's life, they should not have any type of a preference for one arm or one side of their body versus the other. And so you want to make sure that everything is balanced. You want to be paying attention to the right arm versus the left arm, the right leg versus the left leg. Okay? That's all for today, my friends. I'll talk to you in the next video. Take care.